Okay. Hello guys. I'm recording this video in order to go over expanded notation since we have not seen it probably in a while. I know it's been a long time. Pretty much for Monday and Tuesday we're going over place value, and then we're gonna go into compare numbers. So keep in mind that you can always use the place value chart. So I kept that one right there. There's the units period, so I'm gonna write it a little bit better. This is the units period, and these are the thousands period. So I'm still gonna write it again. Instead of the ones, because later on you're gonna have the decimals, and these are called period. Because in the period, you usually have these in that period, that like in that little unit. Okay, so they're part of that family. Sorry for blocking my face. So right now I'm just gonna focus on expanded notation. And if you remember, hopefully you saw the dojo little handout. I did put an expanded notation uses multiplication with the digits value, just the value. Okay, so let's say for instance I'm using a number, so I'm gonna use a different color. I'm just gonna stick with something with the 10,000 since I know a lot of people still hate the 10,000. So I'm gonna put two 10,000s, 5,000s, because that's still part of the thousand family. And then I'm gonna put a different color. Let me see. Probably because I did different period. So I have 25,000 in the thousands period, and then 793. All different digits, so you won't get confused. Right now I'm just gonna stick with the what is the expanded notation. So first of all, I need to look at the digit and where I'm at. So right now I've noticed that I'm gonna do it a different color, or yeah, orange. So I have two. You need 10,000. So I'm gonna put two of those, but each of those units is worth 10,000. Now I put a parentheses. Now I'm gonna add the next value. So I have 5 of the thousands, because it's just 5 ones. So 5 of the thousands block, and that's 5,000. Then I'm gonna continue, but now I'm in the units period because the comma already passed. I have 7 of the hundreds, so I put parentheses 7 times 100. Okay, you think about it, 7 times 100 is 700. Then I have 9 of the tenths, so I have 9, and each of them is worth 10. So that's why I'm putting times 10. Now that you get multiplication, it makes more sense than all the way back in September. 9 times 10 is 90. Then I have 3 of the ones, and that's what people don't want to put 3, but you have to put 3 times 1. And if you look at it, this is the value of 20,000. Okay, that's the value of two 10,000, especially that 10,000s that we love and hate. Then I have 5,000s. This 7 times 100 equals 700. Now apparently I'm spreading it apart. 9 times 10 is 90. And 3 times 1 is always 3. And there you see the values now. So that becomes the expanded form. Expanded form you can decompose. Some people were trying to do like plus 93, which is still good, but it's not expanded form. That's decompose. Remember, expanding is using all the values, so I had to separate the tens, the ones, the hundreds, the thousands, the 10,000. Keep that in mind. So I'm just gonna do one more example of expanded notation. Okay, so I'm gonna erase this. This is gone. I'm still gonna keep my period in my little notes again. So expanded notation uses multiplication with the digits value. Okay, so I'm gonna put another one. Let me see. I am putting 12,504. And I put everything in the same color. Now I'm gonna look at it closely. So now I have 1 10,000. So I still have 1, but that 1, I have 1 of the 10,000s. Now I'm gonna add 2, but that I had 2 thousands. So I have 2 of the thousands, not the ones, because that's the thousands period. For parentheses, especially when you go to the older upper grades, you're gonna see a lot of those. Now I'm gonna add the units period. So I have 5 of the hundreds, and that's the part that we love. So 5 times 100, put parentheses because that's the order of operations. 0, 10. So every time you multiply times 0, you don't have to put it, but some people like to put it because it makes them happy. So I do have 0. In each of them is word 10, but I have 0. So 0 times 10 is still 0. But I still put it because that's the value of the period, of the place value. But I have 0. See what I mean? And then I have 4 of the ones. So that has to be 4 times 1. Okay? And then I'm going to check if that becomes expanded form. So this purple part is about to be the expanded form. 1 times 10,000 is 10,000. And I'm separated. 2 times 1,000 equals 2,000. 5 times 100 equals 500. 0 times 10 is always 0. And some of you like to put double 0 because it kind of fills the spot. And then 4 times 1 is 4. And that is the expanded form. So I'm going to put expanded form. Expanded notation. And then if I go back to the orange, I'm going to put standard form. Standard form just uses the digits, which is the sum of 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 500 plus 4, so 504. And that's the standard form. And then the word form is 12,504. But I'm not good at writing on my tablet. Hopefully this is a review. And keep in mind, we're going to practice expanded notations. But if you're confused or you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. See you later.